If you're looking to view your calendar, feed preview, and analytics in one place, you're in the right spot. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get it all in one view, saving you time and making it easier to manage your tasks and insights. First, let's talk about your calendar. Having all your events and tasks in one place is essential for staying organized. With our software, you can easily integrate your calendar with your feed and analytics, so everything is synced and updated automatically. The key is to set up the calendar view to display all of your scheduled content, making it simple to track what's coming next. Now let's move on to the feed preview. Viewing your feed in real time lets you understand how your content is performing across different platforms. With our software, you can get a live preview of your feed right alongside your calendar. This means no more toggling between tabs or tools. You'll see exactly how your content looks and performs before it even goes live, allowing you to make quick adjustments. Next, we have analytics. This is where things get interesting. By having your analytics right next to your calendar and feed preview, you can instantly analyze your content's performance and tweak your strategy accordingly. You'll see things like engagement metrics, impressions, and click-through rates all in one dashboard, so you can make data-driven decisions faster. I've tried most of the popular tools out there, but this software stands out because it combines all three features: calendar, feed preview, and analytics in one unified view. No more switching between different software or views. Plus, if you want to follow along, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial of the software, which is only available to viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description below. The key takeaway here is that by using this software, you can view your calendar, feed preview, and analytics all in one place, streamlining your workflow and helping you stay ahead. Let's quickly recap. First, you've learned how to integrate your calendar and content feed seamlessly. Then, you saw how to preview your feed in real time to make quick adjustments. And lastly, you discovered how having analytics right next to your calendar makes it easier to track performance and optimize your strategy. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier in the description. It's a great way to explore this software and see how it can improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.